This example here, I want to show you how making a double of the reference material makes a lot of sense. So let's just have a quick listen to this example. So now the problem is here, now this part here is too soft. Okay, so I want to change it with I've got my reference rhythm here, and I want to change it with that. Now, if I cut this and I put this down in there, I'll lose the reference. So what's good is to just create a double, and I'll call this the double. Okay. And from the double, you can just choose a section that you want to cut. So I think I will have my piece of audio cut from here. Okay, and you cut both. So you select both, you then use a scissor tool and then cut both. And then here you can select both, and I'm going to cut it from this position. And what I'm going to first do is delete this guy, bring this one down, and then it's very important to add fades here to make sure that those transitions are smooth. Okay, and then you can have a quick listen. Always good to check. Now, it sounds a bit weird, and I know why. Let's have a listen to the original reference material. It's got some effects on it. This one has a little bit more delay on it. So this is the wrong reference material, actually. So I'm going to have to find another piece of reference material. So I'm going to delete this, the double. Okay, so let's check maybe this one. Yeah, I can definitely use this as the reference material. So I'm just going to copy this. This is now in the double channel, okay? Okay, so I'm going to delete that again. Come back here. And I'll cut this here. I'm going to use my split the region clip. And I'm going to cut. I'll cut from here, actually. Bring this one down. Okay, so delete this guy. Now this could be my new reference material, so I'll just extend that down. Okay, so make sure we have a fade here. And a fade here. Okay, great. So now I will solo this track. Let's have a listen if those transitions make sense. Yeah, much better. Okay, so that is why it's good to have the reference file and the double.